Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we have an amazing return guest, 73 years young, Pauline YT.
Hi everybody, I'm so happy to be back here. I'm so happy to have Gillian with me. You know, this is really a treat because the last time you were here was crazy cold, right?
It was crazy cold.
Winter time.
And we are going to make one of your longevity go-to, anti-aging, one of your go-to juices.
Yes.
This is a viral juice. This is going to be amazing. I'm so excited. And before we get into the juice, just tell people maybe, you know, why you live a healthy lifestyle. 73 years young. What are the secrets?
73 years young, putting God number one. That's number one. Eating clean and getting your sleep. And eating clean. I'm going to repeat myself over and over and over again. You have to be cognizant of what you are putting in your mouth. You know, I did a post, I think it was about 2 or 3 days ago, and it was, the title of the post is, Every time you eat, you are making a medical decision. Every time you eat, every time you drink, ladies and gentlemen, you are making a medical decision. A decision to keep your cells nice and healthy and strong and vibrant, or a decision to kill the neurons in your brain and just jack up everything in your body. So be mindful of everything that you're drinking and that you're eating. And I'm just so happy. I can't wait to share this juice with you, girl.
We love hanging with you. And this is the energy we should have in our almost mid-70s, right? I wish my parents had taken care of themselves like this. Then they'd be here, you know, and you're no medication, right?
No medication at all. God willing, 6 more years. I'll be 80 years young. Just 6 more years. I'll be 74 this year.
Okay, amazing. And you're a fitness coach too, so I'll put everything down below because fitness is important too, right? It's not just the food. We have to move, right?
You have to move your body. You have to love. And that's one of the ways you tell your body that you love yourself. You want to tell, hey, body, I love you, girl. I love you. And you love yourself by working out, moving your body, eating clean, eating, as my girl always says, real food.
Exactly. Well, let's get into this amazing recipe. And how important is juicing for you? That's a big thing?
It's an everyday important thing. Every day I'm juicing. Every day I juice, ladies and gentlemen.
What is this recipe? Why is it important to you? And what benefits do you get from juicing?
Okay, great. I always do my orange because I don't go to the store, Gillian, and buy orange juice. I don't do it. So I make my own oranges right here, and I do orange juice. And the oranges, of course, as you know, for vitamin C. And vitamin C is very, very important for your skin, for your eyes, for everything. And then I do the grapefruit, an extra dose of vitamin C right in here. You know, ladies and gentlemen, you want to build up your immune system. And that's why I do that. I want to make sure that I have a nice, healthy, strong immune system. So that's why I'm always juicing. And last but not least, my beet, my raw organic beet. Beets are just so good, especially if you're working out a lot. It's really, really good. And it's so important for the most important muscle in your body, your heart, girl. So I have my beets, my oranges, my grapefruit, and we're going to throw some ginger in there as well.
Sounds good.
Because I like it nice and spicy.
And I know beets are like a natural blood thinner. I've heard or they're really good for blood flow.
Yes.
Which is great because that's important. A lot of people these days, I feel like there's not a lot of really good blood flow happening with people. There's circulation problems, all these problems, right?
Right. And you want to make sure that you have those veins open up so that the blood could pump, you know, all the way up. That's why leg exercises are very important, ladies and gentlemen. You have to work your legs. And if you can't go down very far with your squats, that's okay. Do what you can do. That's why these beets are very
Should we go really far down when we do a squat? Yeah.
I think you should.
Yeah, right down,
right? You should. Because, you know, the Chinese, they sit like this all day long.
Yeah.
You know? And this is helping your internal organs because you're moving them. And that's what you want to do. You want to be flexible as you age.
And especially as we get older, you know what? Like the more fit you are, if you take a fall, then you're going to be okay.
You're absolutely correct.
Yeah.
If you take a fall, if we're in New York, so we have sidewalks and everything. And if you just happen to stumble on the curb because you've done your leg work and everything, you can just act like you're doing the cha-cha and get right back up and keep on stepping,
But if you haven't put in the work and you fall, it could be fatal, right?
Fatal.
So we got to work out. We got to live our best life, right?
Gotta work.
So let's juice this up. And you know what I love about grapefruit too? It's also really healthy for the breast. It's supposed to be really healthy. It looks like the breast and it's really healthy for the breast too. So many benefits. I can't wait to try it.
Let's do it. Okay. All right. So, G, I'm putting 6 oranges in here. 6 oranges. And I'm going to put 2 large grapefruit in here. All right. 2 large grapefruit and 1 nice sized beet.
Good for blood flow.
Good for blood flow and ginger. I like it nice and spicy, and you cannot go wrong by putting ginger in your juice, because whether you know it or not, G, we have inflammation in our bodies, and the ginger really helps us to get rid of that inflammation. So that's what we want. Again, ladies and gentlemen, 6 oranges, 2 grapefruit, and a handful of ginger. I mean, a lot of ginger.
Yeah.
Poured it in my big mason jar because I want to shake it up and make sure that all of the deliciousness is just spread all around, Look at that color. Look at that color. Ruby red. Anybody, did you ever see The Wizard of Oz with Jane Garland?
Yeah.
I always think about her ruby red shoes.
I love it.
There's no place like home. It's no place like
such a nice color. I'm so excited. And you've been plant-based, for anybody who doesn't know, like 40 years or something?
40 years.
And why is that important to you?
Because of the way it makes me feel, G. I feel like $1 million.
Yeah, you look like it.
Oh, Gillian.
Every time I see Pauline, I swear, she's got like this Benjamin Button effect. She looks younger every time I see her.
Gillian.
And you just got the energy, I feel like when I travel around and interview all these people who really take care of themselves.
Right.
And you as well. Like, you've just got this youthful 20-year-old energy. You're running around your place, like doing everything, just so much like youthful energy. And that's what we want, right?
It's from the juicing, ladies and gentlemen. It's what you're putting in your temple, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to be very cognizant of what you are putting in your temple. That's why I love this young lady here. I love her because she's spreading the good word of health, and eating clean. And it's just so important. It really is. It really is important because these days and times that we live, Gillian, I mean, we're fighting with the air pollution. We're fighting with the pesticides in the food. We're fighting with fast food. We're fighting with anxiety. We're so anxious. We're not taking care of ourselves, And I want your audience to make themselves priority number 1, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not asking you to be narcissistic and kissing yourself in the mirror and everything. I just want everybody to make themselves priority number 1, because you're not on this earth for you. You're on this earth for everybody around you, your loved ones, even for Gillian and me. We haven't even met you. That's why we want you to do right by yourself. And how do you do that? You do that by eating clean and drinking good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That is so good, Pauline. I think that's one of the best juices I've ever had.
Really?
And I don't ever juice beets, really, because I'm like, oh, it seems messy.
Right.
This is worth it. This is freaking delicious.
It is so good, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope you try it. And if you try it, write a little comment on Gillian's page and let us know. All right?
And you feel better in the days where you take the time to juice?
Within minutes, not days, within minutes. Trust me, give it a try. I confess that juicers are expensive, especially a high quality juicer, but you are worth it. You're worth it.
You're worth it. It's like the natural coffee, you know, people looking for that buzz. This gives it to you without a crash. Like electric, alive, creative, powerful, vibrant, you know, just more in tune with your whole self, your real self, in alignment, and just, you know, attracting good people. And
the energy of the plants, ladies and gentlemen, that's what you are putting into your temple. The energy of the plants. And the more you juice, I promise you, the better you will feel.
oh, well, this has been amazing. Thanks for welcoming us in your kitchen. I love what I do. I'm so blessed. Thanks to you guys too. I get to go around, drink these awesome juices, meet with the most amazing people.
Thank you.
I love Pauline. She's an inspiration. She's goals. This is how we should all aim to be at 73. And I think we might do a fitness video next. I'm not sure. If we have time, we're going to, but we'll see. But if not, Pauline also has an amazing channel. So go follow her. Ageless. What's it called?
Ageless Fitness Lifestyle.
And by the time this comes out, she might have a school community. I'm trying to get her on school. I'm on school, you guys know, Club Raw, where we help people eat a healthy lifestyle and live their best life. Pauline came in as a guest speaker. We have guest speakers, so I'll put that down below. And join hers as well if it's out yet. So I'll put those down below. And any last words, any quote, or anything you feel like called to share with the audience, and then let everyone, well, I think we let them know where to find you.
Yeah. Just be well. Just treat yourself. Treat yourself well. Love yourself well. Talk to yourself in a positive manner, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want you to say, oh, I'm so stupid. I forgot this. How foolish can I be? No, talk to yourself in a loving manner. Be your own best friend.
And one more thing. Best book you've ever read?
The Bible.
Oh, good answer. Cheers. I love you so much. We're going to go enjoy this. And Pauline has come on before. She did What She Eats in a Day, which was epic. So I'll put that on the screen right now, and another collab we've done together. And go follow, go subscribe, go join the groups, get healthier, live your best life. And we love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye-bye.